Aloha, you beautiful people. This is Satori coming to you live from the famous Waterfalling Estate here on Big Island, Hawaii, along the Hamakua coast. Now the Hamakua means the breath of God, and let me tell you, this property is heavenly. I can't wait to show you more about this gorgeous 5-bedroom, 5.5 bathroom estate that sits on 9 acres. Now we have a helicopter pad, there's tennis courts, there's a water slide going into the water, swimming pool right behind me. There is a sauna, and I can't wait to share this gorgeous property with you. This property is going on auction with a reserve of $5.9 million. So if you are interested and you want to be part of this incredible game and auction this gorgeous home and you want to own it, let me know. My name is Satori. I'm with Hawaii Life. Aloha.